Alright, good morning, Ma'amsat. Alas 10 na po ng umaga, may kami-kalab shout. Ito, pakinggan naman natin yung attorney ni Atong Ang, Ma'amsat. Meron siyang sinasabi dito at ito nakakagulat. Hindi ko ina-expect na ang kanyang attorney ay walang iba kundi si kung hindi si attorney Kapunan, Ma'amsat. Kailangan natin, skip muna natin to. Tapos, pabilisin natin, syempre. Attorney!
Kumusta? Patingin nga. Ayun! Oh, wala, parang hindi naman kumukupas itong ganda ng Attorney Lorna. Parang hindi tumatanda si Attorney Kapunan. In fairness, ha? Wala pa pong uban, ha? Wala pang uban si Attorney Lorna. Ang bata pa lang.
Attorney Kapunan, Ma'amsat.
Hindi, ikaw din.
Pakinggan natin.
Hindi, panot na, Attorney. Attorney, pakinggan naman ng reaksyon. Kayo po ang abogado ni Atong Ang, ano po?
Ayan, abogado siya ni Atong Ang, mga kabsat. Napapaisip tuloy ako, karapat-dapat pa ba siya? Pero malaki ang tiwala natin kay Attorney Kapunan, no? Talagang dudurugin niya yung mga lawyers ni Sara. Pero bakit kay Atong Ang? Ang galing naman ni Atong Ang, kumuha ng attorney. O sige tuloy.
Oo, ayan, nasabi ko nga, ano kasabihan, the cat is out of the bag. Matagal nang pinag-uusapan yan sa Maritesan. Talagang sina Atong Ang at saka si Gretchen Barretong pinag-uusapan. Ano po ngayon, someone has divulged na hindi si Atong Ang daw talagang utak. Anong aksyon na gagawin po ng kampo niyo?
Well, I represent only Sir Atong Ang, no?
Okay.
And
nire-represent niya lang si Atong Ang, pero attorney Kapunan. O sige, tuloy.
Tama ka. This case has been a cold case for 4 na taon na, no?
Opo.
And itong self-styled whistleblower, ang pangalan niya ay Julie Patidongan.
Tama.
No? Don. Siya pong in charge ng 3 farms. He was directly in charge. No? Kasi dapat maintindihan ng tao yung operations. No? Mr. Atong Ang had no direct operations with the farms. No? He had farm managers. And isang farm manager itong si Don. No? He had control and supervision of the operations, the logistics, the hiring, the security guards of 3 farms in Lipa, in Laguna, and in Manila. And yung mga sinasabing missing belong to his farms. Ngayon, he is now a whistleblower in the case that has long been called. No? At sinasabi niya as whistleblower, tinuturo niya si Atong Ang, Gretchen, and several others, members of the board of Pitmaster Alpha. No? Ang tignan natin yung credibility nitong state witness. No? Kasi pag sinabi mong state witness, must be the least guilty. He's guilty. I think 6 sila charged in RTC Manila for illegal detention, kidnapping. Hindi murder or homicide because they cannot find the bodies.
The remains.
The remains, the bones, wherever they are. No? And the Secretary of Justice is pushing for continuation of this case and has made this Don a state witness. Pero tingnan natin, who is this Don? No?
Wesley Mateo,
Public should know that. Kasi research namin, bago namin tinanggap itong kaso, nag-due diligence kami dito sa whistleblower. No? He faced, first of all, he belonged to a security agency, na empleyado yan, isang security agency, at tinanggap dahil sa sexual harassment. No? And then he ended up, nag-apply kay Sir Atong Ang, at he ended up as security, and because matyaga yan so tumutulong sa contract, sa employees, he was handling operations, logistics, nga sa 3 farms na yan, hanggang naging farm manager siya. But itong Don, in January 2020, meron siyang information. Ito hindi niya rin-reveal. Dapat pag empleyado ka, rin-reveal mo yung mga kung merong pending case against you. This was never revealed. So, meron siyang information for frustrated murder. This was
may kaso pala si alias Totoy, mga kabsat. Frustrated murder daw. According kay Attorney Kapunan, O sige, tuloy.
Murder yan. This was filed in RTC Morong Rizal noong 2020, January. Noong March
2020 daw, kinasuhan siya ng frustrated murder.
2019, meron rin siyang kaso, murder. And
murder siya 2019, magkasunod na taon.
Multiple frustrated murder in Taytay, Rizal.
Multiple frustrated murder. Nako, mga kabsat, mabigat din to
So talagang may history of violence to, no? Tapos in July 2019, Metrobank. Ang Metrobank mismo nag-file ng kaso against Don Don for robbery with threat and intimidation,
O robbery and threat daw sa isang bangko, Metrobank.
physical injuries and grave threats. So yun ang state witness, no? Yun ang magiging whistleblower. Tignan natin yung credibility ng tao.
O kung yan daw magiging whistleblower, alamin natin yung history. Attorney Kapunan. Nako pa. O sige, tuloy.
Plus, all of these alleged missing or alleged kidnapped or murdered were all under his direct supervision and control. Ang Atong Ang and the members of the board do not do actual operations at the farm level, no? And absurd yung sinasabi niya. Sinasabi pa ata niya na nagmi-meeting daw. Nabalitaan namin na sinasabi niya na nagmi-meeting daw ang board of directors para pag-usapan sino ang mga papatayan, kailan sila papatayan, etc. Which is really absurd, no? So, ang ipa-file today actually at 9 o'clock is grave threats, grave coercion, frustrated robbery, and frustrated robbery, tsaka intimidation, no? Slander, oral slander, no? Because ang ginawa nitong Don Don,
Wait lang, Attorney Kapunan na. Uy, mga kabsat, chinek ko yung like natin, 43 lang talaga. Seryoso yan? Mga kabsat, 43 likers lang tayo, mabsat. 100 plus yung viewers. Baka naman. Like po tayo, mabsat. O, 44. Dagdagan ng isa. Mga kabsat, like po tayo. Wala pong bayad yan. Huwag kayong mahiya, mabsat. Like po tayo. Wala pong bayad yan. Alright. Tuloy. Attorney Kapunan, pasok.
Can you please just hear me?
Inarangan tuloy
Now,
tayo.
All work management platforms
O, like tayo, mabsat. Naku naman. Baka naman, mabsat, no? Kanina pa tayo naka-live. Halos mag-isang oras na. Ay, walang sounds.
sworn affidavit.
Balik. Walang sounds.
Because ang ginawa nitong Don Don, he held hostage. He held hostage
Jun Lars,
his sworn affidavit.
Saka na, Jun Lars.
Ang sabi niya sa affidavit na yan, which is coming out now, sabi niya kila Atong Ang, not only Atong Ang, the members of the board, no, including Gretchen, na hindi niya ipa-file yung affidavit. Kanya ngayon lang niya finale nung alam niya magpa-file si Sir Atong Ang. Until he receives 300 million. Kay Atong Ang lang. No? And I don't know how much he's asking the other members of the board, no? Kasi meron silang respective, they have their own lawyers and they have the option to file the same case, no? The same, to reveal really the blackmailing and extortion and coercion being done by this Don Don. 300 million, sabi niya, pag naka-receive siya ng 300 million, pwede na raw gumawa ng affidavit of retraction yung isang assistant, no, ni Atong Ang, at pipirmahan niya. So yung sinasabi niya in one TV station na he was being coerced to sign a retraction is absolutely false and a lie. Siya mismo ang sabi dito sa isang assistant ni Sir Atong Ang na nag-execute rin ng affidavit to say that it was Don Don and yung co-accused, yung co-respondent natin mamaya, no, isang Alin Bantiles na tinatawag na Brown, na sila ang nag-conspire na mag-extort. And Alvin, no, hindi lang hearsay ito, recorded ito. I think Atong Ang had a good sense to record because nababalitaan na niya na yun nga ang gagawin, no? Because nagsisend ng feelers ito. Itong Don Don.
Salamat, Jun Lars.
May official duties yan sa company, no? Meron siyang he had his own sideline, no? Meron siyang sideline na illegal operations. So kunyari, siya yung in charge ng construction, kanya yung contractor. Kung siya yung in charge ng hiring.
So, kung nagkaroon siya ng poder.
Nagkaroon siya ng poder, tsaka nagkaroon siya ng kanyang setup.
Oo.
So meron siyang sariling security guards. In fact, kanya natatakot ng mga nakakaalam ng kasong to because laging pinapaligiran niya ng at least 16 bodyguards, no? So he had his own operations, illegal operations.
So ang sinasabi mo ba, attorney, sorry, papasingit ako. Ang sinasabi mo ba ay yung mga namatay na sabungero, walang kinalaman categorically si Atong Ang doon at ang posibleng may kinalaman sa pagkawala nun ay yung Don Don. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. As a matter of fact, the reason Atong Ang is coming forward is gusto niyang tumulong. Because we asked why is he coming forward now? Why not 4 years ago?
Yeah.
Or why not 3 years ago, 5 years ago? Because at that time, trusted pa rin niya, hindi yung itong ginagawa ni Don Don, hindi pa lumalabas. Ngayon na people are not scared anymore. In fact, sa RTC Manila, where there is a pending case against him, and I think 6 other security guards, 2 or 3 of the security guards are now willing to come out. And become whistleblowers against Don Don, no? Because the reason hindi sila lumabas at nagsabi ng totoo kay Atong Ang is threaten rin sila. Alam nila na may private army, na may security guards, may kanyang sariling illegal operations, no? From construction to yung pandaraya, I don't know, fixing the mga sabungan, isabong yun games.
Oh.
Which Sir Atong Ang was totally unaware of 4 years ago. It only became evident now when Don Don himself said, and this is recorded, that he will flee the country, that he already has fake passport and fake visa to go wherever he wants to go. Meron silang mga kasabwat din na gumagawa ng mga fake passports. And that's why he was able to evade all of these charges that I mentioned to you, no?
Opo.
Kasi marami siyang aliases eh.
Ganun. Ganun na pala siya ka-powerful din. Ano po? So, Attorney Lorna, ano ngayon ang mensahe niyo po sa Department of Justice? Kasi it appears to me, gagamitin itong si Don Don bilang state witness against Atong Ang. Sabi mo, hindi dapat ganun kasi yung Don Don nga mismo, yan ang involved, hindi si Atong Ang.
Exactly. Well, because ang pag criminal case yan, kailangan direct participation. No? Ang may direct participation dyan, and siya talaga ang farm managers, and all of these people who allegedly have disappeared, or whose whereabouts are unknown, or who are presumably already killed, were under his direct supervision. Siya yung nagsusupervise ng 3 farms yan farm manager siya. Wala namang kinalaman. The board is a policy board, no? Kagaya ng ordinary board, policy board yan. Hindi naman policy ng board, magmi-meeting daw sila at sasabihin nila, patayin natin itong mga sabungan. That's really absurd.
Yeah.
Nung naging obvious na hindi niya mahihingan, kasi he became so powerful incidentally, Alvin, tumakbo yan ng mayor.
Ganun? Saan?
Sa hometown niya, no?
Sa Laguna? Kasama
Hindi,
siya?
sa Sorsogon, I think.
Sorsogon. So, dumami na rin yung pera niya.
San Miguel Pale Pilsen, the beer that started it all. The one Filipino beer.
So naubusan nga siya ng pera. In fact, as late as this May, no, nagbigay pa ng pera humingi siya ng donation for the campaign. Nagbigay pa because hindi pa nga obvious yung ginagawa ni Don Don, no. Nagbigay pa siya ng pera si Atong Ang for his elections.
Oh.
At even then, merong kaming ipipresenta yung mga tinanggap niya. We will present in evidence attachments sa affidavit yung mga amounts received, yung 12 million na na-contribute ni Atong Ang sa election.
Paano po yan pag tinuluyan ng Department of Justice ang kliyente po ninyo? Kasi mukhang doon patungo, ano po, okay, nalutang na yung Don, mukhang susunod na step, tutuluyan ang pagpa-file ng kaso kay Atong Ang.
Well, if there is a case, then you present evidence. Gano'n naman, ano, pag may kaso, trial. Actual evidence. The state must present. If he is the witness for the state, presenta nila si Don Don. Tignan nila yung credibility ng isang Don Don. Ano? And as I have said, Atong Ang is willing, and all of them in Pitmaster are willing to cooperate with the government, the Department of Justice, to put an end, because this really is a heinous crime.
Yeah.
There are families who don't know what happened to their loved ones up to now, after 4 years. No, walang lead I think. Pag naman masyadong desperate ang gobyerno, no, or to get any state witness, no, especially a state witness a whistleblower who is obviously lying, and we have evidence to that effect, no. Lalabas.
Kasi sinungaling daw si alias Totoy.
Bakit ngayon ka lang lumabas after 4 years? Why are you pointing now that case in Manila has been pending for more than...
Attorney Kapunan, kaya ngayon daw siya lumabas, sabi niya, according to alias Totoy, kasi nga daw, ang PNP chief ngayon ay si General Torre na hindi nababayaran. Yun ang rason niya kung bakit ngayon lang siya lumabas. Actually, sinagot niya na, Attorney Kapunan. Kaya, nako, tingnan natin mabsat, no? Mukhang kanto. Basta. Di ba, Sir Tony? Basta, Sir Tony, basta na lang tayo. Nako. So, maitutulong yung mga umaresto sa mga sabongeros na may mga nagbigay pahayag kailanman na magsalita sila. Addictus Rex, shoutout Kabsat. May kalab shoutout Addictus. Ayan, nandiyan pala si Addictus Mabsat, no? Nako. Mabel Kinjo, shoutout din. Ayan. Kabsat, Mabel Kinjo, shoutout. Alright. Nako po. Attorney Kapunan. Bakit ikaw ang attorney? O, sige tuloy.
4 years na ata, no? At ngayon lang siya lumabas as whistleblower. Ang sagot niya is, again, absurd. Kasi ngayon lang daw inappoint si General Torre sa PNP. At confident daw siya na maprotektahan siya, no? In the same vein, we are very delighted. We're so happy that this General Torre will be involved. Kung totoo man yan, because General Torre is competent. He cannot be persuaded or he cannot be swayed by misleading statements. So, kung i-charge ang members of the board, including Gretchen and several other personalities, it is good that there is a venue in court, no? To present evidence to the contrary. Hindi yung trial by publicity, no?
Tama. So nagre-ready po si Atong Ang for a full-blown trial. Kung sakasakaling mauwi ito sa trial, nagre-ready na kayo for that?
What we are readying for, we are hopeful that na hindi pupunta doon, no, sa RTC Manila, because there is no shred of evidence na present except for this hearsay. The other thing is, meron rin kaming isang witness na nag-execute ng affidavit, isang pangalang Roger, no, na trusted security guard, who very recently came out with a statement na itong si Don and several others, his private army of 16 and kasi maraming maraming hindi lang bodyguards, firearms, no, illegal firearms, especially when he was running for mayor and he lost. Maglalabas rin ng statement na merong plot to assassinate Atong Ang and to rob daw his residences at isasama itong isang Roger sa plot na yun, ano. Kasi
malalim pala talaga, Attorney.
Malalim talaga.
Dapat hindi pakinggan ng everybody's excited to say. Atong Ang is also, once his name cleared, alam mo naman, I've been in the practice, Alvin. I will not risk my reputation. I've been in practice for 46 years.
Yun nga, 46 years ka na, hindi mo sisirain ang reputation mo. Sana, Attorney Kapunan. Kasi bilib na bilib kami sa'yo kasi kasama ka sa prosecution team as private prosecutor. Ay, ang hirap magsalita mga kabsat. Si Kapunan to eh. Di ba mga kabsat? Tuwang-tuwa tayong lahat kasi kasama si Kapunan sa sa prosecution team mga kabsat. Tapos ngayon, attorney siya ni Atong Ang. Okay sana kung si Tapasio. Kasi si Tapasio, di ba? Sir Tony, no? Lahat ng kwan ni Tapasio, puro mga DDS, di ba? Kabsat Makoy, may kalab shoutout. Jesset Lardy, shoutout idol. Ayan, no? Nagkamustahan na sila ni Sir Junior's vlog. Ayan. Nako po. Naimbag na bigat. May kalab shoutout. Kabsat Makoy. Ay, grabe. Guys, nandun na si Atong Ang. May video ko, guys. Ipapakita ko. Andun na kasama si Attorney Kapunan.
I will not risk the reputation to side with a guilty person. I have seen the evidence. I have heard the statements of this whistleblower, and they are absolutely false.
Okay.
So, ang isang whistleblower should not be the most guilty. Yung mga co-accused niya sa Manila, the handling lawyer of the case, kasi hindi naman kami nag-handle nun. The handling lawyer of the case will beg leave of court to ask permission for a state witness, also a hostile witness, a real hostile witness, to come out and to point to Don himself, no?
Okay.
Kasi dati, well, bakit ngayon lang? Because
Attorney,
mukhang nag-surface na si Don, nababantayan na siya.
Opo. Attorney, sinong nagre-represent naman kay Gretchen Barreto? Nabanggit mo kanina sa umpisa, sabi mo, you're only representing Atong Ang. Sinong nagre-represent kay Gretchen Barreto? Would you know?
Enemy alert. Your
Yun
scalp
lang.
gets 1.5 times greasier, causing dandruff.
I'm not sure, no, but when we had the lawyers meeting, it was mentioned that Gretchen has her own lawyer, that 2 or 3 others had their own lawyers. No?
Ayun. So kanya-kanyang abogado.
Yes, because this is not a conspiracy. No? There is no concerted action.
Baka si Topacio. Baka si Topacio ang lawyer ni Gretchen Barreto. Tragis. Pero mabibigat din ang mabibigat ang mga kliyente ni Topacio. Sino to? Si Cassie Ong na talagang grabe ang yaman, no? Napakabata pero sayang. Tapos si Alice Guo, sino pa ba? Si Tebes, si Kibuloy. Sino pa ba? O isama mo na pati si Digo. Tragis. Lahat ng kliyente niya nakakulong. Naka po. O sige, tuloy. Tragis. Malapit na matapos sa
Amongst the persons named by this whistleblower, they don't act as one. It's not like they will hide things, no? So kanya-kanyang lawyer yan.
Okay.
And since ang sinabi nga nila, sila mismo, no? Hindi lang si Atong ang linapitan for extorting money. Sila mismo linapitan.
Okay.
At ang sinabi is, idadrop namin kayo sa ilalabas niya na affidavit kung magbibigay kayo ng pera. That's why nung naging evident, I think when he learned yesterday from media that we were going to file today, saka siya nagsalita yesterday.
Oh, tama.
Kanya siya lumutang
Mm.
ng kabaliwan niya, no? Kasi alam niya na hindi siya makakakuha ng anything from anyone. So I'd like to repeat lang, no? Kasi sabi nila, Atong Ang is a very powerful person. He is above the law. That he can bribe, he can threaten witnesses, etc. No? But precisely, that is why we are filing the case so that everything will be transparent.
Okay.
And he is reiterating now through your show and through me that he is willing to cooperate and to assist actively the Department of Justice and the Secretary and the NBI and the PNP in the immediate resolution of this long pending case. It is
Sige, ma'am.
too long already for the families of the victims to be grieving without knowing what happened to their family members.
Thank you, attorney. Maraming salamat.
Salamat, Attorney Kapunan. Absat, puntahan natin to, putragis. May sinare ako, maabsat. May sinare ako. Ano lang. O ito, Attorney Kapunan. Nandun na. Ito na, si Atong ang maabsat, oh. Ito nang, what ayaw lumaki? Ayan, dumating na si Atong Ang, guys. Ito na. Kasama si Attorney Kapunan, mga kabsat. Agoy, gaming tycoon Atong Ang arrives at the Mandaluyong Prosecutor Office to file complaint against alias Totoy. Totoy, suspect turned witness, tagged in a disappearance at the 30 cockfighters. Okay, mabsat to. So, 59 minutes. 1 hour ago pa to, ha? Yan, grabe. Mga kabsat. O siya, mabsat. Ako pa. O, next, puntahan naman natin daw. Next topic tayo, mabsat. So, okay na tayo kay Attorney Kapunan, mabsat, no? Next topic tayo. Siyempre, cut down tuloy. Countdown.